Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're diving into a name that defines high fashion and elegance, but is often mispronounced. That's right, we're talking about Yves Saint Laurent. So, how do you say it the right way? The correct pronunciation is Yves Saint Laurent. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is Yves, like the name Eve, but without the E sound at the end. Next is Saint, which sounds like sun with a soft N, not saint like in English. And finally, Laurent, with a nasal French R and a silent T. Now say it with me. Yves Saint Laurent. One more time. Yves Saint Laurent. Great job. So where does this name come from? Well, Yves Saint Laurent was a real person, a legendary French fashion designer. He started working for Christian Dior at just 17 years old, and by 21, he was the head designer. In 1961, he launched his own brand, Yves Saint Laurent, or YSL, which became one of the biggest names in luxury fashion. Fun fact: did you know? The brand officially rebranded to just Saint Laurent in 2012, but the full name, Yves Saint Laurent, is still iconic. And if you're in France, you might hear it pronounced even softer, Yves Saint Laurent, with the final N barely pronounced. Many people say Yves Saint Laurent or Yves Saint Laurent, but now you know the correct way. Now you can say it like a pro. So, next time you talk about luxury fashion, designer perfumes, or iconic runway styles, you can say it like a pro. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves fashion. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.